sharing how to make this easy clay ghost garland. I spotted a ceramic ghost garland online for $92 and couldn't believe that price. I mean, it's a super cute garland, and I love cute ghosts, not spooky looking ghosts, as Halloween decor. But my budget certainly doesn't include $92 Halloween garlands, so I decided to make my own. I used oven-baked clay because I wanted this to be done quickly, and air dry would take longer to dry, but you can definitely use that if you'd like. I rolled out my clay to about 1/4 inch thickness. I found this ghost cookie cutter on Amazon for a few dollars and loved the shape, so that's what I used to cut out my ghost shapes. You could also draw out a ghost shape and use that as a template, tracing that shape onto the clay and cutting it with a knife. Once the ghosts are cut out, I used a skewer to create a small hole in the top where the string will go. It's helpful to know what string or twine you will be using so you can create a hole big enough for the string to fit through. Then I baked the ghosts for about 15 minutes, following the directions on the package the clay came in. Once the ghosts were baked and cooled, I used a Sharpie to draw on the face. You could also use paint if you want, but this was easy and worked well. After that, I used matte Mod Podge to seal the ghosts. I just did the front side and edges of mine. But if your ghosts will be handled a lot, like if you have little kids that will be touching them, then you'll probably want to seal both sides. And even though this is a matte Mod Podge, you can see that there's still a little bit of sheen to the ghosts once they dry. And then it's just stringing the ghosts onto the string or twine to create a garland. I first cut my string to length. I knew I'd be hanging it on my mantle, so I measured for that. Then I knotted the ghosts about a little less than 4 inches apart along the string until the string was filled. Then I tied off the ends to create loops for hanging. And that's it. It's a really easy, quick craft to create this garland. And it looks so cute paired with the cheesecloth ghosts I made last year.